I know that she was a terrible roommate and kind of a terrible person sometimes, and that one big grand gesture doesn't make up for centuries of what's essentially murder, but she was my terrible roommate, and she made the big gesture for me. Wow, that's... I mean, I know that you're not just doing it for me, but seriously.
You idiot. Of course I'm doing it for you.
Besides, if you want me to stop having heroic notions about you, you should probably stop saving my life.
Then who would buy the cupcakes? Cupcake. You are ridiculous and headstrong and naive, and this whole Lois Lane Jr. gig is doomed. Okay? But unless you're going around kidnapping girls for some ancient unspeakable evil, nothing that's happening right now is your fault. Makes any person sacred to another. She isn't mine. You are.
Like someone cut a hole in me.